Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Deborah's YouTube channel. I'm Daniel, and today we are diving deep into Amazon Web Services enabling DNS resolution in VPC. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our AWS and cloud-related content. Let's get started. What is the purpose of DNS resolution enable means in VPC? Can you explain with one simple scenario? In the context of a virtual private cloud, VPC enabling DNS resolution allows instances within the VPC to resolve domain names to IP addresses using the VPC's DNS resolution service. This feature is primarily used for internal domain name resolution within the VPC. Let's explore a simple scenario to illustrate its purpose. Scenario: private web server in a VPC. Suppose you have a VPC set up to host a private web server and a database server. You want these servers to communicate with each other using domain names, making it easier to manage and maintain. Enabling DNS resolution. You enable DNS resolution within the VPC settings. This allows instances within the VPC to use the VPC's DNS service for name resolution. Instance configuration. You have a web server with a private IP address, example, 10.0.1.100, and a database server with a private IP address, example, 10.0.1.200. Domain name resolution. You configure the web server to connect to the database server using a domain name like dbserver.internal instead of an IP address. DNS resolution in action. When the web server sends a request to dbserver.internal, the VPC's DNS resolution service resolves this domain name to the appropriate IP address, 10.0.1.200, within the VPC. In this scenario, enabling DNS resolution within the VPC allows instances to communicate using user-friendly domain names rather than relying on static IP addresses. It simplifies management, as you can update DNS records if the database server's IP address changes, rather than needing to reconfigure all services that rely on it. It also enhances security by keeping traffic within the VPC. In summary, enabling DNS resolution in a VPC simplifies internal communication by allowing instances to resolve domain names to IP addresses using the VPC's DNS service, making it easier to manage and maintain resources in the VPC. That brings us to the end of our discussion on enabling DNS resolution in VPC. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up, like, sharing it with your colleagues, and subscribing to Deborah's YouTube channel name for more AWS and cloud-related content. Thank you for joining us today.